Southern California, we've got some of the highest price energy in the country, and it keeps on going up. So what can you do to offset that? Energy efficient windows and doors. What does that mean? First of all, dual pane. Dual pane windows is an absolute must. On top of that, you can use vinyl or fiberglass frames which stop heat and cold transfer. On top of that, you can add energy efficient glass. You can use low E, you can use low E max. Low E, short for low emissivity, blocks an incredible percentage of UV rays coming into your home, creating heat, damaging carpets, furniture, window coverings. It also blocks 100% of radiant heat getting back out. So a good reason to do that is summer heat and winter cold. Windows and doors, new windows and doors can make an incredible difference in a home that's 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 years old. If you think about aluminum, silver windows in your house, they don't make any sort of a statement other than I'm old and tired. Brand new windows, whatever color you choose, will spruce up the front of your house incredibly. Sides and back as well, let's not forget them. But modern looking windows, new frames, new patio doors with brand new thresholds and everything are an immediate change to your house. We can change your windows normally in one day with very little aggravation to you. So it's a great way to spruce up the neighborhood, get that curb appeal, and if you're thinking about selling your house, it's a great time to make it look great. Comfort. When you think about comfort in your home, you probably think about your bed or your sofa. But the environment that you live in your house, whether you have drafts, whether you have windows that don't make you feel secure, if sliding glass doors that are an exercise program to open, all of those things can change your comfort in your home. Especially as we get older, we spend more time in our home, we feel the cold more, we are affected by the heat. So putting in dual pane windows and doors, vinyl frames, fiberglass frames, will even out the temperature control and the comfort that you live in with your home. Are you planning on having any family, friends come for Thanksgiving or Christmas? If you are, and you're thinking of replacing your windows or patio doors, now's the time to get started. As you know, supply chain issues have been going on and plaguing us for the last couple of years, and most window and door manufacturers have lead times that are approximately 16 to 18 weeks. In lay terms, that's 4.5 months. So starting next week, most people are going to be scheduling the first week of November. If you'd like to get work done before the holidays, schedule now for an appointment. And for more information, check out our blog at newmanwindows.com.